Good morning. This is Tuesday, July the 7th, 2015. It is raining. It is nice, gentle rain. I'm just looking around here at right straight off my deck and the back, the fields. I want to just take a quick walk around because things are so beautiful right now with all the lilies, the daylilies starting to bloom. All of them that the deer left alone, and they did leave a bunch alone. This is the place that now is in pretty much full bloom for this time of the year. Some really, really beautiful roses, lilies, few perennials, tricolored beech tree. It is a special thing. And this is trumpet land. Trumpets are really starting to pop right now. Purple ones are Easter morn. Got daylilies mixed in with them. There's my really beautiful daylily over there by the fence. Walking along the side of the house. There are so many beautiful things here and so many to come. I try to stay off the grass because it's pretty wet. There are the big tall Easter morn in the background there, and the pink perfection. That's a lovely, lovely spot with a lot of Asiatic lilies in bloom. And then just a quick peek down the street at the Regal Lilies. Excuse me while I walk across the driveway, because we want to take a quick peek at this. This is so beautiful this year. And the Morden butterflies in the front, and there's 3 or 4 other lilies in there, and the fragrance is really strong right now. And just one final peek here at the quickfire hydrangea and my good old friend St. Franny in the background there. So have a wonderful day. It's a beautiful rainy morning here in Novi, Michigan.